The most popular Google Workspace apps explained. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the most popular Google Workspace apps available within Google Workspace. Gmail. Now, Gmail is an email application that you can use to send emails to your friends, colleagues, and you can easily connect to different services like Spaces or Google Chat or Google Meetings to go ahead and quickly start setting up meetings and chatting with your friends and family members or your online colleagues and businesses. You just simply click on the settings options, a tab will pop up right here, and over here, apps and Gmail, you can go ahead and customize them, and you can add Google Chat and Google Meets as well. And you can also use other stuff as well, like themes, important first, unread first, that you can go ahead and quickly see everything right here from one application. Google Meet. Now, Google Meet, as the name suggests, a meeting application that you can use to have and hold meetings with other people. So it's very simple. You just enter in a code or a link right here that will be sent to you by the host of the meeting, and you can even create new meetings by just simply clicking on new meeting button right here. Create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar as well. Over here is the link to the meeting. You can go ahead and copy it and send it to other people to hold a meeting. You can add different people here by clicking on this button and adding their emails right here. A bunch of different options like the microphone, turn off camera. You can turn it off right here or turn it on. It depends on you. You have captions as well. You can have different actions as well. You can send a reaction as well. Like if I click on raise hand, as you can see, you already know that have a bunch of different options as well. You can click on the settings option to get the settings, and you will have activities as well. You can go ahead and live stream, breakout rooms, recordings. You can even share your screen and let other people share their screen as well. Google Calendar, as the name is a calendar application where you can set up different event meetings. You can schedule different times, add reminders, tasks, and all of that. Go ahead and change the layout as well, and go ahead and click on the settings option right here. Add different settings, or to access different settings, you can add a world clock, add events, speedy meetings. You can let others see all the invitations that you have. You can show week numbers, display. You can reduce the brightness of past events here on the left hand side. You can even add different events from your Gmail account as well. You can also change your overall layout by specific week or maybe even month as well. Like if I choose months, the whole month right here, and I can all of the days that are really happening within this month. And we can even choose different colors right here. You can turn it off as well, but it all depends on you. Google Drive. Now, Google Drive is a cloud-based storage application that helps you store your data online, and you can access them and share them with your colleagues or friends and family members as well. So you simply click on Go to Drive right here, and over here you will have all of your files that you have uploaded from your Google Docs, Sheets, Forms. Everything is going to be available over here. You can create different folders as well, keep things organized. You will also have calendar applications right here. You will have a Google Keep Notes application, so you can take notes of different applications that you have uploaded. You will even have tasks, contacts within the Google ecosystem. Go ahead and click on the settings option to go ahead and access the settings, keyboard shortcuts, get Drive for your desktop applications as well. Buy a certain amount of storage as well. If you are a beginner, don't have a plan, you will have 15 gigabytes of storage, and you can buy up to 2 terabytes of storage, so you don't have to worry about that. Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is a word processor that you can use in order to edit different text or create different documents. So you can create different documents within your Google Drive, or you can just simply go to docs.google.com and create your own text over here. So multiple people can actually work on the same document at one time, so you can see what people are working at. You can share it by clicking on the share button right here. You can name your document as well. It depends on you. Let's go ahead and click test, click on save, and then this option will pop up. You can go ahead and choose the option. You can keep it restricted, or you can let anyone join with the link, or you can add different groups and people by adding their names over here and just simply sending them the invite link. Then whenever someone is making a changes, you could see their name and see what changes they have made. You can even comment as well. You can let them know what they're doing right or wrong. You can even share or join a call or present this tab within the Google meeting so that everyone can see what is being worked on. Google Sheets. Now, Google Sheets is is a spreadsheet application, and it has almost the same functionality when it comes to collaboration. You can share it with your colleagues, people you are working for, and you can see the changes that are being made in real time, like here, as you can see in this little example. You can even comment them as well. So just simply click on go to sheets, and you can start creating different number of sheets, start working over here. Just like Excel, it works very similar to Excel. You will have a bunch of different options as well. You can have functionalities, you can add different people as well by clicking on the share. It works very similar to Google Sheets in terms of collaboration. Google Slides, which is a presentation tool, which is also very easily integrated with other Google applications. So you can use it, create your own presentations, to show your presentations within Google Meetings. It works really well and it's very helpful when it comes to other Google products. Google Forms. Now with Google Forms, you can go ahead and create different forms related to your groups or surveys or even companies, and you can also share your form just like you can share your Google worksheet as well. It's really simple. You just simply choose a template, or you can create a blank one. It depends on you. As you can see, by clicking on the send button, you can send your form, but if you click on these three dots right here, or this hamburger menu, you can see you have a bunch of different options like add-on. You can make a copy. You have questions. You will see the responses over here. You can link this form to a sheet. You can see the settings. You can make it a quiz. You can add representations. So as you can see, it's very easy to go ahead and integrate Google Forms with our other applications as well. And I'm pretty sure you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Also check out this next video that is also related to Google Workspaces as well.